Welcome. We're back here talking cars and mechanics, and we've got the man right here. Brian, tell me, certified mechanics. Everybody wants one. That's what you need in the car. Who certifies the mechanic?
That's a great question.
Because we hear this, but none of us know who does the certification.
Yeah, that's a really good question. You want somebody that knows what they're doing working on your car, right? It's a very expensive investment. There's a couple of different organizations that do it. The main one is ASE. That's been around the longest.
What is that?
Automotive Service Excellence.
Okay.
And that's the biggest certification body group by far. And every part of the car, suspension, brakes, alignment, engine, transmission, there's all separate certifications for all these things. They do a really good job with it. They've been around for a long time. That's the most reputable, the biggest one there is. And whether you work for an independent repair facility or a car dealer, that's kind of like the standard. But then all the manufacturers, they have their own.
Okay.
Right. So any of the manufacturers, Cadillac, Mercedes, Buick, GMC,
Sure.
whatever, they all have their own certifications.
Is certification something you have to do every year, every 2 years, 5 years? I mean, do you have to keep getting certified?
The ASE certifications are 5-year certifications, and I'm not sure what the auto manufacturers, how often they do it. It might even depend on what area of the car.
Yeah.
But emissions were certified also for the state, for example, the Ohio EPA to do emission tests, because we do that in-house now, but so we're certified for that. There's a lot of different ones, but the main is ASE.
So it's good to know there is somebody, there is an organization there. It's not just a shop owner going, okay, you're certified, and you bless them with a wrench or something like that. It's for real, huh?
Right.
And every 5 years is probably a good idea too, because as we talk about, and you can watch some videos on this at weberautomotive.com. Cars always changing and the technology is changing, so it's probably pretty good to make sure that whoever your mechanic is, that they're up to speed with what is underneath the hood of your car right now. So
yes, and the other thing too, let me add this is. The certifications, while they're nice, that doesn't mean somebody is great at what they do, but it does show that they care enough to at least do that.
Yeah. So make sure your mechanic is certified and it's a real thing. And if you're wondering, then just go to Weber Automotive. Remember, weberautomotive.com. Check it out right now.
Thank you.